Creating a well-optimized YouTube channel is one of the most challenges most of us are having in this space. In this video, I am creating a new YouTube channel. So if you think you are among the group of people that find it very difficult or challenging in creating a well-optimized YouTube channel, then this video is for you. Join me as we create this channel together. So this is my YouTube, nice website version. In case if your own is not like this, you click on this three dots here by my right hand side. You click on it, you scroll down, you see desktop site. You click on the desktop site, then it will change to this. It will change like this, as if it will change to this desktop format. So let's proceed. So let's click on create a channel. Create a channel. You see name and handle, then you come down here, create a channel, click on it. Good. Then handle. Once you change your name, YouTube will give you handle by themselves. Then you click on create channel. Then the next step, you will see customize channel and manage videos. Click on customize channel. This is where some people make mistake. So once you put your name, you think that you have created a channel, you just go ahead and click on create, start making videos. No. Click on customize channel. Click on continue. Okay. And before we start creating your channel, you might have gathered all the material that you need, like your banner and your profile picture or photo. So let's go ahead to upload them. You click on upload. Click on browse. Okay, this is my banner. Okay, click on done. Then next is your profile picture. You click on upload. You can always click these three lines by the left hand side, then go to your gallery. That is the easiest way to find your picture or locate your picture. All right, this one is okay. Good. Let's cross. Good. You have already given your channel a name and handle. Then the next step is description. You have to write a good description. In case you cannot write a good description, or you can also use ChatGPT to generate a good channel description. Let's go ahead to use ChatGPT to generate our description. Okay, I have I've gotten all that I need already. Let's go ahead to copy it to avoid wasting too much time for this class or this lesson. Then you copy your description. Copy it. Go back to YouTube. Anyone? What is this? Back to YouTube. Click on the box. Okay, click on paste. Good. So the next step is add language. You click on add language. Select the language, the original language, which is English, of course. English. Good. Then you shoot like this. You will see translation language. It is very, very important. Translation language, it is very much important, which is French. French. Why is it important? There are some countries that do not speak English, so their language is French. So if you to push your video to such people that come from such countries, so they will use French to watch a video. You know, YouTube has inbuilt this subtitle. How will I put it if I'm correct? Yeah, so anything you are saying in English, it translates to French, so that the other people, those people, can be able to watch your video. Let me not chop my tongue because I'm doing explanation. So by channel name, your channel name, which is Faith Word Channel, you have to translate it to French. And you might have gotten that from ChatGPT. So you type your channel name and ask ChatGPT to translate it to French for you. I've already done that. Let me just go and copy it. I don't want to waste our time, like I said before. Okay. Click on copy. Click on it and copy it. Voila. Okay, you click on it. Good. Then the next one is description. So the description he gave, the English description he gave for your channel, you have to write the same description in French language. And for us to do that, you have to go back to ChatGPT and translate your description into French, which I have already done that. I will go ahead and copy it. Okay. Go ahead and copy it. Copy. Good. That's all. Then you click on done. Good. Good. The next one is link. You have to add your YouTube, your TikTok, your Facebook, your Instagram link to your YouTube. Yes, but you have to skip this one for now, but it's not difficult. So anytime at your own convenience time, you can go to your TikTok, your Facebook, your Instagram, copy your link and come back here and add it. Okay, contact info. I'll add your contact address, your email address, for people to reach you. News box. Okay, good. Good. So then another thing is video watermark. It's very much important. video watermark, and our video watermark, you have to, for you to get a video watermark, you have to go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate a video watermark for you based on your channel. Let's do that together, but I've not generated it. Based on my channel, create a video watermark for me. Okay, so my video watermark is ready. So you click on it to download it. Good. Then go back to your YouTube. Then this is video watermark. You click on upload. Click on done. Good. End of the video. Entire video. Okay. Once you upload your video watermark, you will see a display time, end of video, costume, start time, entire video. The choice is yours. As for me, I put my own on entire video. Should be there. It is my property, you know. So once you are done with this, you click on publish. So your channel is ready, but not 100% ready. This is where most people as well get it wrong. It is not 100% ready. So you come here, scroll down, you see this star by the left hand side. This star here by the left hand side, you click on it. You see setting, you see channel, general, channel, upload default. You click on channel. Good. Basic info, country of residence. Then here is very important. Country of residence. You know, as a Nigerian, you must not choose Nigeria. I can also choose Nigeria, but myself, I'm choosing UK. UK, United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Nigeria, Thailand, make a choice, then United Kingdom. Okay. Then after choosing a country, the next important one, the most important one is keyword. Then for us to put a keyword here, cannot put a keyword of your choice. No, there are tricks you can use to put or get a good keyword, a searchable keyword. So I'll use my niche to get a keyword, and which as well works on any niche we are into or you are in. So let's go back to our normal YouTube channel. Let's go back to our normal YouTube, that is the app YouTube app, so that we look for keyword or search engine organization. Okay, for you to search for a good keyword, once you come to your YouTube, you click on this search bar here, this thing here. Okay, let's type Bible. Okay, Bible reading for sleep, Bible study, Bible reading. Let's type Bible study. So if I put this Bible study now on my keyword, among one of my keyword, and I make a video with this title. So if I make a video with this title and add this Bible study, so anytime someone type Bible study, my video will be among the video that will pop up. So Bible study, let's add it. Bible study, Bible study. Each one you type, always add comma, then you give space. For you type another one. Okay. Bible study, lesson. Add your comma. Then go back. Morning prayer, morning motivation, morning Bible study. So all these things are searchable keywords. Psalm for deliverance, Psalm for debt cancellation, Psalm for demons. Okay, save it. Always make sure you save it before you go back to do for another keyword. Okay, so I pray for midnight. Type for midnight. Say midnight prayer, midnight devotion, midnight prayer. So whenever somebody type midnight prayer, your video will follow among the one that will pump up. Excuse me. So once you are done typing all your keyword, you click on save. Are you getting me? Click on save, and that's all. Wallahi, you have gotten a well optimized YouTube channel. This is the only way, the only method in getting a well optimized YouTube channel. So guys, we have come to the end of this class. Please, if by now you are still watching this video with me or still creating this channel with me, and you are here to subscribe, and you feel that yes, you actually got some value from this video, please go ahead, like this video, share it so others will see it, and as well subscribe.